Guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today I am making a tutorial on how to make motion design videos right inside your code. Basically vibe coding, but instead it's coding, it's designing videos, so it becomes vibe designing. Okay, so let's move on. First of all, you have to come to this website, which is remotion.dev. Copy this command. Just click on it and it will copy. Go to your IDE. In my case, I'm using anti-gravity. You can use VS Code or Cursor. That's up to you. Now let's click on the terminal and then go with new terminal. Right here, paste this command and click enter. Press Y. So you can see it will install the dependencies that this one requires. So you have to make sure that blank is selected here and just press enter. Add tailwind CSS, yes, we will need tailwind CSS, so make it sure it is yes. Add agent skills, so this is the main step right here. These skills are the most crucial part for making videos from code or from vibe coding, like just prompt here. The AI will look up for the skills and it will match the skills and make the video. So make sure this is set to yes. Okay, so as you can see, the skills are applied and we have to install to the same last time recommended because it is recommended by Cloud Code also. And the installation scope will be project. If you want, you can go with global. What it will do, it will make it install globally on your computer. So whenever it is accessible, you will need to just put the command and px create video, and it will just open this installed one instead of the installing again. And installation method, go with symlink and then proceed. Okay, so as you can see, it is right now done, and we have to first run this command, which is npm I, and I will write that command right here, npm I. What it will do, it will just install all the dependencies. These are the dependencies which are required to make video. Okay, so let's wait for this to finish out. Okay, so it has installed dependencies. After that, you have to go to the public folder and paste all the assets of your website that you want to make videos for. So I have right here some pictures and I also have one music file. I won't be using such music because it is generic. I will ask AI to make some music for me even. And I have, you can see one video as well. You can also put videos. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so the next and the most crucial part is to open up this agent window right inside this. You can click this to open up the agent. And right here, you have to paste the prompt that I will provide in the comment section. Okay, so make sure to paste this prompt and update it according to your project and press this blue button. Make sure that you have Cloud Opus 4.6 because it's the most efficient model right here. But if you don't have Cloud Opus, then you can either go with Flash High or Flash Medium. They are generic feature here, so it won't have any difference. Okay, so I will be using Cloud Opus and I will press blue. So right now it has started working on making a video which are 5 seconds each because I wrote such in prompt. So we will wait for this prompt to finish and let's check the output after. Okay guys, so as you can see the prompt is executed and for me it took almost 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, that was it and let's look at the response. Okay, so as you can see, the video is not too bad, but also it needs some animations. So for that, go back to your IDE And this is the most important part of the video, okay? So don't skip the video. Press Ctrl, Shift, and P simultaneously and write MCP. Click on this anti-gravity, manage MCP servers, and you have to click on this view raw config. It will open up this mcp config.json file, okay? You have to paste the code that I will be giving in the comments, okay? And after that, you have to press Ctrl S to save it. Then go back to that MCPs and refresh. Wait a second. Here we go. So we have Remotion documentation MCP enabled. You can see here. So we will go back to our AI and ask it like, hey there, I have connected Remotion MCP. Please go through all the animations that Remotion offers and please apply them the components in our output video that is still already were generated. So let's wait for the response and we will see how it is getting the output generated with MCP. All right, so as you can see, the prompt has finished successfully and it has made some huge changes like added physical springs and motion effects to the text. Let's see. First, you have to run this command in your terminal npm run dev, and then it will have some link which you can open up. And here we go, we have the output video. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, cool. So as you can see, these ones are appearing with some flickering animation, which was made possible through the Remotion MCP we just performed. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, this is way too good, bro. Like, we just made two prompts to this AI and it made such a powerful video. I mean, why do we need to hire a motion designer? Of course, AI is better at these two. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video and if you want to know more about these videos, please share this video and subscribe to the channel so I will be making more of content like this. And don't forget to share with your friends, okay? See you.